Hi guys, my mama is playing football today.
Yay! Are you happy? Good morning! May nang mister ko guys, oh. Ako ang naghatid kay nag-ano po siya, ano tawag dito? Nagdala ng sasakyan. Hi, good morning! May bago kaming
Nice to
sasakyan.
see you all up and about in your outside clothes during this hour of the day.
Kailangan eh. Because I needed to.
How did it go?
Look guys, we have a new car again. No joke.
Yeah, this horrible thing. It drives.
It drives though.
Drives.
How was he? Yeah, he was not looking at me anymore
No, he
when...
just goes inside. He doesn't look at you at all. If
I
you don't-
think that he doesn't know that you're there.
you know, if you don't tell him to give you a kiss before he goes inside, he won't give you a kiss.
He's giving me a kiss.
Wait, not me. Just going inside. Woo!
He was bringing his things there. I was thinking that maybe he will still look at me and I will do like this to him.
No,
No, he's not looking anymore and I was knocking there.
no, he won't.
No. Ang bahay ko, amoy bami. Yung luto ni Bianan kagabi. Grabe ang amoy. Ako po ang naghatid kasi nga si Daniel nagpa-check siya ng sasakyan. Kaya meron tayong ibang sasakyan na naman dyan. No? Ganyan sila, magpahiram sa inyo ng sasakyan or bike. Kung kailangan talaga ng sasakyan na pahiram. Kaya medyo malayo man yun. Kakalo ang nanay. Uy, wala man ligo. Pangit din. No, kalo talaga. Hanap na tayo anong makain dito. Parang meron pa akong ribs eh. Ligo ako mamaya. Maglagay ako ng oil for today's vlog sa aking buhok. Sorry guys. We're not finishing the video today.
Wow.
Because you had a visitor and Mama did not vlog.
Oh, you're vlogging.
Yeah.
Something to show you.
What?
But not here.
Upstairs? No. Because manatanas a visitor today.
Why?
Lars went here, your friend. Meron siyang na-recruit na bata, guys. Yung pinuntahan niyang bahay last time. Ngayon, siya na naman ang pinapunta ko dito. Enjoy the bami that your oma cooked yesterday. Tira sa bami ang tatay, nag-init pa.
Vegetables.
Yes, you really like vegetables.
I
Yes, you...
don't like potatoes.
Yeah, you don't like potatoes.
Why?
Dutch like potatoes. Are you not Dutch then?
Like this much, right?
Bahala ka din. Pero may pakita daw sa inyo si Daniel, guys.
I need buy my, okay?
Okay. What's this one?
Enjoy, everybody!
Needs spiciness.
Let's go upstairs, guys, before we end this vlog. Gusto niya talaga ano sa'yo, pangalandakan ang kanyang ginawa bago natin tapusin itong vlog na ito. Wow!
Nice, right? See, it's done now.
Yes. So this is the table.
This is the table.
And then when you open it, how will
When
you
you
open?
open it, then you have the...
Wow! Yes, do have. Like
Because
that.
that's easy right now.
And then they will play there, everyone. Wow, with the LED lights.
With the cold white and the warm white and all the colors. Whee!
You like it? Will you be like that too, building stuff when you are grown up? Because we asked you, what do you want to be when you grow up? You said like Papa.
Yeah.
What is Papa then?
Playing a lot of computer games.
When I grow up, I want to play a lot of computer games. That's what he's saying.
That's what you want to be? Yeah,
And
yan na palagi niyang sagot. So what is the work of Papa?
Working
Yeah, working. How does he work?
in the computer.
I'm gaming there in the computer. That's the work of your Papa.
See you, Tom.
Oh.
And see you tomorrow. Bye.
See you tomorrow. Bye.
See you tomorrow. Bye.
Andito si Daniel Padilla. Daniel Padilla! Ha? Ihan mo na naman itong garden ko dito, ha? Yung pusa ng kapitbahay ba? Hello! Kamusta na ang lahat? Ipagpatuloy na natin itong mga kabuang natin dito. Kaya parang absent po tayo kahapon. Pinaghahanap na naman tayo, guys. Inday Garnet, absent ka na naman. 2:00 pa lang pero nagluluto na ako kay ang nata ninyo. Kagabi, tinanong ko bago po siya natulog, ano gusto mo ulam bukas? Gusto niya daw ng cabbage. Yan ang paborito niyang gulay ngayon, guys. Cabbage daw sa sabaw. Kaya nagnilaga ako ng ribs. Nasa school pa po siya. Maya-maya, kunin na natin yun. Hindi pa pala 2:00. Mag 2:00. Sabi ko, 2:00 di dapat kinuha na si Nathan. Hindi po ako nag-vlog nga kahapon nung nalaman ko na may dalahin siya, may na-recruit po siyang bata. Kasi, yun na nga. Huwag tayo mag-vlog-vlog ng ibang bata, kaya baka makita ng mga nanay, mapagalitan po tayo. Aywan ko na lang kung may magreklamo pa talaga dyan na late ang vlog ko. Grabe ka updated. Itong vlog na ito, mapanood agad bukas. Natulog ako. Kakagising ko lang actually. Tapos naligo ka agad. Kaya para sabi ko pa, kailangan ko mag-recharge. Hindi kasi ako nakatulog ng maayos kagabi. Pero ito, yan. Hindi pa rin siya. Say pa na subscriber in the garden, ayusin mo naman yan. Ihang daw kasi masyado daw mababa. Hindi talaga siya nakahang, guys. Nakalagay lang po siya dyan kasi aalisin po natin yan siya. May in-order na ako. Darating bagong painting para po dyan. Sundo na tayo. Nagbike na ako papuntang school. Magkuha na ng anak niya yan. Kalabing, Diyos ko. 11 degrees for today's vlog. Pero ang araw mapanakit. Pero palamig pa din.
Mama, can I have a chocolate?
Okay. Now, hello, we forgot again your... Nakalimutan natin. Maglagay. Mainit pa naman today. Bawal siya sa init, guys. Yung sugat. What do you smell? What are we eating tonight? What did you ask Mama last night for dinner?
What is
A soup with?
with
You forgot?
so many
So many what?
things?
So many things. What gulay do you want?
I can have candy.
Yes, of course.
First, you can tell us what
Yeah.
you did at school.
Now, what
For
did...
chocolate,
Yeah, what did you do at school then?
obviously, and buffet, yes.
Yes, and what else?
Rotator.
Yes, what else? Huh?
That is all.
That is all?
What did you do outside of the school?
Yeah. I saw you walking out of the school.
Yeah.
What did you do outside then?
I was making the mother stuff.
Mother's... you're making something for Mother's Day?
Yeah.
Oy, thank you. Thank you. So you have a surprise for me on Mother's Day?
Yeah.
So where are we going today?
Yes, that's the question that I wanted to ask. Kaya nagluto na ako kay para pagbalik natin mamaya magkain na lang ba, pinaano ko na siya, pinalambot ang karne.
A surprise for me to go.
A surprise for you to go somewhere?
Yeah.
Okay. Nakalimutan ni Nathan ang kanyang yung para sa inumin niya, water bottle. Binalikan po ni Daniel doon. Magdala tayo ng mga pasnak niya. Kaya malapit naman matapos. 14 minutes na lang matapos na yung pre-measure ko. Si Nathan, tinatanong po talaga namin yan siya. Anong mga nangyari sa school. Kaya para malaman din natin ba, may mga may nagkurot ba sa kanya, may kinurot ba siya, di ba? Mas mabuti po yung alam natin yung mga nangyayari sa anak natin. Kasi ngayon na first time niya naglaro doon sa kaibigan niya, wala siyang masabi ba? Palagi niyang sinasabi sa amin na, I don't know. Ganun. Pag tinanong namin siya, anong ginawa mo doon? I don't know. Sa school, pag tinanong namin, I don't know. Para siya ba? Tamad siya magkwento. Pero ganun naman talaga tayo, no? Bata pa tayo. Tanungin ako ng tatay ko, anong nangyari sa school? Nagsulat, nagbasa. Ganun na ang answer ko. Pero yung mga detalye talaga natin ba, hindi natin ginagawa. Pero ngayon sinusubukan ko kay para nga malaman din natin anong mga nangyayari sa kanya. Lalo na ngayon na makipaglaro na siya sa ibang bahay. Sabi ko nga kay Daniel ba na parang kaaga naman na palaruin agad siya sa ibang bahay. Gutom na baya ako, uy. Magpunta na lang tayo sa city, mag-zoo sana kami kasi wala nang time. Kaya anong oras na, luto pa baya ako. 2:30 na, tapos kailangan pa yung mga luto, yung mga gulay dyan mamaya. Kaya pinalambot ko nga lang siya. Ano kaya kung lagyan ko ng kalabasa? Mag-city na lang tayo kasi ipa-adjust namin tong bagong salamin ni Nathan na nahuhulog kasi siya guys. Kaya i-adjust yung dito banda sa may tenga. Nagpaalam siya sa tatay niya kung pwede ba daw na yung savings niya ibili niya ng board game. What board game do you want then? Maybe you should look with Papa later.
Yeah.
So you will use your savings? Okay. How much do you have now?
10 euro.
Huh?
10 or 9?
I'm not sure.
10.
Okay, you have 10 euros for a board game.
Or
Oh my
no.
gosh, you need to save more. I think.
No. I'm for...
Game that your daddy likes too.
Oh yeah.
Maybe you can ask your daddy to buy it.
Oh yeah, that's better. Yeah.
No, I will buy it myself.
Okay.
How many euros do you have?
10?
10 euros.
But you cannot buy board game with 10 euros, Bibilang.
Yes.
I don't think so. Board games are expensive.
No. Board games are expensive. Expensive is also 10 euros.
Okay, now let's see. Or maybe Papa is right. You can ask Papa if he also likes the game. Then maybe Papa can buy it for you. Then you can play it together.
And I can put it in my room.
If you want.
Yeah.
Painit na naman sila, guys. Kay may araw. Aldo na naman ang mga restaurants nito. Tapos wala yung tao sa loob. Diyan na talaga sila magpainit.
Go home.
Empty yan sa loob. Unahan yan sila kung saan sila mainitan. Doon yan sila. Tayo, magtago baya tayo. Doon din, oh. Lugi yung mga yung mga restaurant na walang init sa labas. Walang mga tao yan. Kaya dyan talaga yan sila sa may init. Dito na tayo sa pasalamin ni Nathan. In fairness, gusto ko to. Maliit ang frame niya ba? Malaki kasi yung frame ng akin. Pero kamahal kasi ba? Magbili-bili pa tayo. Kaya hindi na ako bumili ng bago. Ito, bet ko din to. Tingnan nyo. Diba? Bagay lang siya ba? Ito, tingnan nyo, malaki ang frame. Si Nathan, inaayos na po yung salamin niya. Pero mas maganda manata po, guys. Madaming nagsasabi maganda daw ang salamin ko. Ano po to siya, Michael Kors? Show me if it's better now. Wow, it's so better, guys. It's not going down anymore. Inom-inom sila dyan, oh. Kain-kain, inom-inom beer, coffee. Punta na tayo doon sa board game nila. Tingnan nga natin itong mga wooden shoes nila dito. Magkano? 40 euros. Alam nyo, marami akong nakikita na nagsusuot niyan ba? Hanggang ngayon. Meron pa rin. Ngayon medyo mainit na. Pag nasa araw ka lang kanina kasi sobrang hangin. Yung hangin niya malamig. Pero kung walang hangin, katulad ngayon, kaganda ng weather. That is 11 euros. Not so expensive, this one.
Yeah.
That's for 24 euros.
What's your name?
Grabe, hanap niyo.
You want it? This time.
That one? I don't know. You can
10
ask.
euros?
No, it's 8 euros. Huh? Laruin na muna natin to dito. Kaya para maghanap ang tatay niya anong mabili. Which one do you want? Oh, they have a new one. A clay. Mas gusto niya talaga sa tatay niya, guys. Magtingin ng board game. Addict talaga sa board game itong anak ko. Manang-mana.
Het besje. En die kan je dan gebruiken om bijvoorbeeld een boerderij in je stadje te kopen.
Diyan ang mag-ama ko, guys. May dala natin. Wow! Sana all! Has a new board game. Which one is that? The Everdell Junior.
Everdale.
Say?
There's a police. Look. They're going away now. They're looking for someone maybe. Do you want to be a policeman when you grow up? Or really like to be like Papa? You don't want to be a police. How about doctor?
No.
No, also not.
Oh.
You just want to be like Papa.
Mama, Mama,
Yes, Nathan.
eating. Mama,
No, Nathan.
selling rice.
No, Nathan.
Open your robot.
Ha ha ha. Sana all. Are we playing that later? And you did not pay, ha? You still have your 10 euros because Papa said if you will buy something that he will play to, then you don't need to pay. Yeah, so you still have 10 euros. Andito tayo ngayon sa Lido. Si Daniel na lang pinapasok ko kay kapagod na magpunta doon. Oy, cabbage lang ang bilhin. 5 plus 5 then. Show them what you've got. 5 plus 5.
10,
And how about 2 plus 2?
4,
How about 1 plus 2?
3,
1 plus 4?
5,
Wow! 5 plus 0.
5.
Grabe ka galing, uy! Kahit si ano ba, sino to? Kahit si Maricel na shock sa kanya, nag-plus-plus siya kay Tante Maricel niya. How about 7 plus 1?
8,
Wow! About 1,000 plus 2,000?
3,000,
Wow! How about 2,000 plus 2,000?
4,000,
Wow! How about 6 plus 4?
6 plus 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 6 plus 4,
Is?
10.
Why are you so good? Alam nyo bakit yan si Nathan? Kasi sa mga board games na nilalaro nila ng tatay niya, minsan nag-a-add-add. Lalo na yung may mga ano po, may mga dice, mag-add-add. Kaya magaling siya masyado sa addition. Right? That's why, because you're playing a lot board games with Papa and Mama also. How about 100 plus 100?
100,
Very good. How about 10 plus 10?
20,
Oh! How about 1 plus 20?
1 and 20,
Huh?
1 and 20.
That's not how you say it.
Yes, 1 and
No, 20 plus 1 is?
1 and 20.
I don't think so.
Yes.
21.
No, 1.
About 3 plus 2.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
3 plus 2 is?
5,
Wow. 3 plus 3.
6,
Ah! How about 4 plus 3? Use your hands. 4 plus 3. Use your hands. Not for that. Ay, nag-request pala si Kuya Bibi kung at saka si Ate Shan. They want you to shout out them. You say, Chiki ha?
Chiki ha?
Yan lang ba? Okay. It's fine. You don't want, then you don't want. But you will eat the other gulay, right?
The vegetables?
Yeah, and also the favorite of Mama. Naglalaro na ang mag-ama ko, guys. Bilisan ko to. Kaya grabe ko nakagutom. Ang last kain ko kasi alas 9 pa. Ng umaga. Or alas 8 na siguro. Yun ang brunch ko. Inaayos nila para malaro namin mamaya. Are you helping Papa? Hawak mo ang beef. Grabe kadami ng paano natin. Naglangoy ang kago. Ready na everyone. Yan yung kay Nathan. Tingnan nyo, nag-orange talaga. Kasi di ba sabi niya ayaw niya daw ng kalabasa. Yan gusto niya yung cabbage tsaka yung beans. Ang ginawa ko, minash ko. Para meron pa rin siyang kalabasa. Food is ready, everybody!
Okay. Where's the remote?
Very good. Look! Here. Oh, all the cabbage in the world.
Pumpkin?
No, there's no pumpkin because you don't want. Now you try the soup, B. If it's so yummy with the cabbage, because that's what you request last night before you go to sleep. I ask you, Nathan, what do you want for dinner? Cabbage, cabbage.
What is this orange one?
That's just nothing. So, is it yummy? And then your rice, and then your soup, and then everything. Enjoy, everyone.
Enjoy. Eet smakelijk. Kain.
Nilaga na may ano yan, kalabasa. Cabbage. Look, guys. Wow. Ang isa, boy, buhay din siya eh. Ala, grabe naman yan. Hindi man yan makatarungan. Hindi normal. Hindi normal. Nathan! That's so big! Tikman nga natin kung masarap ba yung kalabasa dyan. Okay lang. Masarap. Kasi ang gusto ko sana lagyan siya ng saging. Wala mang saging. Kain, guys.
You have more like one.
I have more rice if you want. Gulay, gulay. Very good. That's fine. You will change later, okay? What do you want?
More rice.
More rice. All for you. Ala, sige, laban dyan. Pinoy na Pinoy. Pero pakainin mo yan ng ng patatas, hindi magkain. Kahit sa french fries, hindi yan siya guys. Hindi masyado siya fan ng french. Magkain siya pero konti lang. Wow, very good naman. Uy, kadami nang nakain ni Nathan. Can you get paper for
And the
Nathan?
book.
We will change, okay? Change the meat later. Puno gud yan kanina. Nakita yun naman, puno ng gulay. Kain siya, uy. And tomorrow, what do you want for dinner then? What's your request for your dinner tomorrow? You don't know yet? Okay. How about Papa? What do you want for your dinner tomorrow?
Not enough anymore?
A little soup.
Then I want homemade French fries.
Homemade French fries! Laban sa kanin Nathan. Hala, sige. He really loves cabbage.
And pumpkin.
No. And then I don't like pumpkin.
Okay.
I love you. Wow, that's very big. Look! Hindi niya natinigilan. Paubos na talaga. Paubos na. With sabaw. Wow, they are very proud of you. They said, wow, Nathan, you eat a lot of gulay. Oh, Everdell!
Makita slender sign.
Maglaro na kami, guys. Bahala na kayo sa mga buhay nyo dyan, ha?
Nou, en dan heeft papa heeft een score van 57. En mama heeft een score van 54.
Ngek.
En Nathaniel heeft een score van 70.
Wow! Felicitated! Oh, you win! You got all the points!
Ja!
Matulog na kami, guys. Mag-alas 7 na. Si Nathan mag-akyat yan ngayon pagka-alas 7. Mag-so guys na! So guys, I win the game! You see? So guys, I win the game, guys!
Oh, pak maar op van de grond.